Lions Club of Canchipur-na Tree Plantation Program amasung First Regular Meeting pangthokhre. Lions Club of Canchipur-na Taubungkhok Awang Leikai Imphal West-da u pambi chamadagi hena thakre. Masina Lionistic Year 2026-27 gi haugatpa thauram ama oina pangthokhibani. Tree Plantation Program da club ki members sing amasung leikai gi mi singna saruk yaraga environment ki matung inna green cover hengatnabagi support tobani. Uchar Singh asi DFO Imphal Central Division Forest Department Government of Manipur na mating pangbiraki. Tree Plantation Program gi matungda Lions Club of Canchipur gi President Lion K. Santabiren Singh gi yumda Lionistic Year 2026-27 gi first regular meeting pangthokhi. Meeting aduda world peace ki damakta 1 minute silent mayam puna tauki. Meeting aduda Lions Club of Canchipur gi President Lion K. Santabiren Singh na haikibada Tree Plantation Program asi mapung fana pangthokhiba aduda yamna nungaiba fawi. Mahakna leikai gi mi sing amasung club ki members singna program asi yamna harauna punna support tawkiba adubusu thagatpa fongdoki. Lions Club ki We Serve haiba wakhalasi ekoi mioi khudingda leigadabani haina mahakna makhatarakpada haiki. Meeting adugi makhatarakpada service program sing amasung Lionistic Year 2026-27 gi thabak khudingmak mai pakna pangthokani haina su fongdoki. Loirakpada club ki president na host tawraduna fellowship lunch amasu mapung fana pangthoki. Tree sapling chamadagi hena thakiba si Lions Club of Canchipur gi environment conservation amasung community service ki maruoiba thauram amani haiki.